What exactly is a mother's helper? Stay tuned to find out. Hey sitters, welcome back. It's Lydia. Thank you for joining me. So I want to start off by saying a mother's helper is just as important as a babysitter, as a nanny. So the difference between a mother's helper and a babysitter. The babysitter is hired to come to the house and watch the kids and is paid to watch these kids while the parents leave the house for a number of hours. A mother's helper is hired to help be with the parents and help the parents while the parents are there. And this could be anything from going to the house and helping them while they just get chores done around the house and distracting the kids. They could be on a conference call and you are distracting the kids while they're doing that. They could ask you to come with them to the beach for an extra set of eyes or an extra set of helping hands. If they're a family more of, like, if there's 4 kids and the mom wants to take them to the hands-on museum, she would hire somebody to go with her for, again, an extra set of eyes or an extra set of hands, just so that she doesn't have to watch all 4 kids darting in 4 different directions, and she could feel a little bit more at ease. A mother's helper is there to help the mother or the parent. A mother's helper is an excellent way to start off your babysitting experience or getting started in babysitting. Being hired as a mother helper gives you the experience you need and the guidance you need when you're first learning. So little tips and tricks that you could pick up from mom and dad who are showing you, they're basically showing you the ropes. By being a mother's helper, this also gives you the opportunity to show the parents how responsible you can be and how you interact with their children. So after being a mother's helper for so long, eventually they'll ask you to watch the kids for short periods of time while they go to the grocery store or to the gym for an hour, or short periods of time. And then from there, you can turn from a mother's helper into a babysitter. Like I said, being a mother's helper is very important. It's a great first step to dipping your toe in the pool of babysitting and seeing even if you like it or not. This is a great way to find out. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. If you have any topics that you would like me to do a video on, please let me know. If you're new, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.